you ready to play the potty game? When your tummy says go, you have to stop playing. Let's practice! Wiggle, 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 stop. Good job! Let's sing! I am playing with my toys, having so much fun. Building with my blocks, one by one. But suddenly I feel a feeling deep inside. My tummy is telling me, do not hide. Hold your tummy! Do I keep playing? No! Do I wait for later? No! What do I do? Go, go, go! I stop what I am doing. I listen to my body. I run to the potty fast as I can to be a big kid. That is the plan. Potty time, let's go! Hey, na 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 na. Hey, na 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 na. Yeah, na 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 na. Potty time, let's go! Now I am sitting on the potty seat. I wait and I wait, dangling my feet. I might read a book or sing a song. It does not take very long. Can you wiggle your toes? Wiggle, wiggle! Do I stand up early? No! Do I relax my tummy? Yes! Did you do it? Yay!